AMC had an incredible day today. I mean, I think we closed up, like 25%. The hedge funds are absolutely taking these losses. It has to be hurting them. But look, we talked about it during the live stream. If you missed it, we usually go live around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time to around 5 p.m. Eastern Time. But this wasn't the squeeze. I know a lot of outlets out there, a lot of news media might be telling you that that was the squeeze, that was it. You hit $14 a share, and that's all you got. No, guys. Do you think that everybody sold out for $14 a share? No. So I've got a couple ideas on maybe why we saw this price action today, why we saw such interest in AMC stock. And look, at the end of the day, yeah, these are just my thoughts on why we could potentially be seeing these price swings right now. But let's talk about what it could have been and why it would come after we saw all 43 million shares issued from AMC. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we're growing our portfolios together. All right, look, no doubt everybody knows that AMC was rocking today. You know, you can look at all the other stocks in your portfolio. They're red. AMC, huge green candle. That is what we want to see. And a lot of people might have been thinking that this was the start of the squeeze. Now, let's get this out of the way. In order for this squeeze to happen, the hedge funds have to be covering their short positions. Because the squeeze occurs when all of these short positions begin to get covered, and then that buying pressure from those shorts being covered squeezes the price higher. Not other people jumping in, that's not a squeeze. Yes, it can contribute to the squeeze, but the actual squeeze occurs when the short positions are being covered. And I don't think that's what we were seeing today. What do I think we were seeing today? Adam Aron announced that all 43 million shares that AMC had authorized to issue have been issued. All right, and I think it was like a $9.90 price, average price, that these shares were issued, and they raised over $400 million. Excellent for AMC, right? Now, I've been saying all along that I didn't think that Adam Aron was too interested in the squeeze. They weren't going to hold out on these shares, that they weren't interested in seeing some ridiculously high price and taking advantage of it that way. Adam Aron is the CEO. He has to look out for what's in the best interest of AMC. He knows that AMC is trading above fundamentals right now, so he took advantage of that share price. Awesome. They made some money. They've got some added liquidity right now. They're going to be able to make it through 2022 based on everything rolling out the way it is right now. Sweet. Why do I think this is such good news? I never think it's good news when you see dilution. Okay? I don't want companies to go out and dilute their shareholders just because they want to raise a quick buck, anything like that. It wasn't necessary to issue these shares. I don't think it was necessary to issue these 43 million new shares either. But okay, they've been issued. That's off the table right now. Why do I think that this is such a big deal, and why do I think that it could have caused so many people to jump on and buy AMC stock? Look, institutional holders, AMC themselves, all of these people who have to act based on logic, they were going to be the weakest link to begin with. They were going to be the ones who sold their shares at $9 a share, or who sell their shares at $20 a share, who don't think that price targets like $100, $1,000, $10,000, $100,000, they don't think those price targets are legitimate. They will fold before those price targets come. And I'm glad to see that AMC was able to raise money, increase liquidity, and get rid of those shares, because now we do not have to worry about them issuing more shares during the short squeeze. Now, why is this big news? Because a lot of people who may not have been on board with AMC stock yet are now on board. They were worried about the same thing that I was worried about. They were worried about institutions folding early and hindering the squeeze. They were worried that AMC, we would see the stock price rise, and AMC would go issue all of these shares, and then the stock price would fall right back down, and the squeeze wouldn't come to fruition. Well, that worry's off the table now. Hopefully, and I don't know where all 43 million of these shares went, hopefully All 43 million of these shares went to people who are going to hold the stock. Let us know down in the comments below if you're willing to hold the stock beyond $20, beyond $100, beyond $1,000. Let us know where you're willing to hold this stock to. But look, with all 43 million of these shares off the table, we don't have to worry about those shares being listed anymore. It brought in an entire new batch of investors. We saw roughly 300 million shares being traded today, and I believe it's a good sign. I know that the majority of those shares didn't go to people who are going to be willing to hold AMC long-term through this squeeze, but every share that gets traded, every share that you guys go out and buy, every share that I buy will be held for one purpose and one purpose only, and that is to see AMC stock squeeze. We're not going to see prices like $100, $1,000, $10,000 a share if we invest in AMC based on fundamentals. Adam Aron can do the best job that he can do, but he will never get AMC to a $10,000 a share price based on fundamentals. It's just not going to happen. You can only see those types of prices during a short squeeze. So I hope that every new share that gets issued out there gets issued to somebody who is willing to hold it during the short squeeze. And I know that's a lot of other people had to have jumped on today, seeing that news, seeing that AMC is in a good position. Yes, the hedge fund should be scared that AMC is not facing bankruptcy, that they've got a long way to go, that they can hold out before they face bankruptcy. But guys, those hedge funds, they're not going to give up. They're not just going to say, all right, you guys can have our money. Short squeezes on. Here, take it all from us. No, they're going to continue applying that downward pressure. They're going to continue digging that hole deeper and deeper and deeper. It doesn't matter if it doesn't make sense to you, why they would continue selling a good company, why they would continue selling AMC stock when AMC is able to hold out for years to come now. They're arrogant. You cannot explain greed in a logical way. They do not want to see you and I become rich and then become poor. They do not want to be bankrupt and let you take all of their money. They will do every single thing that they can possibly do to make sure that that doesn't happen. And the only thing that you need to do, the only thing that I need to do is hold the shares that we have. If you add positions to your portfolio, great. But if you can't add positions to your portfolio, then you hold. It's as simple as that. They know it, all right? That's the beauty of the whole thing. So I want to know what you guys think. Do you think that, because a lot of people are saying that these were margin calls out there, that short positions are being covered and all of that. I don't think that was the case today. I don't think that this was the squeeze or was the beginning of the squeeze. I think that this is the start of what will trigger the squeeze. You know, because there's a lot of stuff that could trigger this squeeze. External regulation, volume, the price moving higher. Guys, when we break through that 1450 line and then we test that $20 line, the shorts are going to be red on all of their positions. And that's going to be an incredible moment when the hedge funds have no profitable positions, when they're losing millions, if not billions of dollars per day on AMC as this thing goes up. It's going to be incredible. All right, now we're not there yet. We're not there yet. At $12.76 price, we're not there yet. We do need to see this move higher because it's pretty safe to assume that hedge funds have short positions out at that $20 mark, at the $14 mark, everywhere in between there. It's safe to assume that they are profitable on some of their short positions at this point. So we need to break those lines if we really want to see this short squeeze triggered and then jump, rocket, blast off higher from there. I'm excited. I hope that each and every one of you are excited. Today was a very inspirational day to see the gains that we were making in our portfolios and to just know the losses that they were taking in their portfolios. But guys, look, I'm brand new on Twitter. If you want to follow me on Twitter, Claybro883 is the name on there. There should be a link in the description as well. If you're brand new to the channel and you haven't clicked the subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. There's a link down there for Webull as well. If you don't like your broker for whatever reason and you want to switch to Webull, or if you're brand new to investing and you want to start investing with Webull, use that link down in the description below. Deposit $100, get those free stocks, sell those free stocks, buy AMC, join the movement, and it doesn't have any money out of pocket for you. Perfect, right? You got a free share of AMC there. And And let's see, we got anything else? I don't think we got anything else at the moment. So until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.